Hi, welcome to GladyTech Fix Earn. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you free AI tools that pays. There are free AI tools platform that can actually pay you money online. Country like Nigeria, many Nigerians use this app. The first we have here is Roma Tax. This is one of the best AI micro tax platform. This AI do image labeling for AI, audio transition, and self-driving car data tagging. Earning from this AI, you can earn up to $10 to $50 per day with consistent work. The second AI I have here is Toloka, a popular AI tax app used worldwide. This AI do check if image are correct, label AI data, and also do short survey. Earning from this AI is from $2 to $10 per hour, depending on the task given to you and your consistency. The third AI is Click Worker. It is good for beginner. This platform helps beginner to understand more about AI. Tasks from this AI is AI training data, write short text, and data categorization. Earning from this AI is actually in Naira, 8,000 to 15,000 weekly for beginners. You have the fourth AI here, which is the App AI. This platform train AI model used by big tech companies. Tasks are usually search engine evaluation, voice recording, and AI data labeling. Earning from this AI is actually for part-time workers who can earn several thousand per month depending on the project given to them. You have the fifth and the last AI here, which is the Havo Micro AI. It is a mobile friendly AI micro tax site. It is used for image tagging, categorization, and short AI training tasks. To earn more, combine 2 to 3 platforms because some days tax may be low and your earning will not be high. So it's better you combine 2 to 3 platforms in order to earn more. So if this guide was helpful, please do well to like it.